Dealing with plugged drains is an incredible pain until I found this. I seriously would usually take the entire U off the bottom of my sink every couple months because it would get so plugged. And then I saw a YouTube of a kid using one of these and I was hooked. Literally, this thing hooks hair to it. All you do is stick it down your drain, pull it up, and it pulls the hair with it. If you can twist it, even better. It'll pull up even more. So this sink here, I should have shown in the example, but it was fully plugged. When I would run it, it would just fill up and it would take forever to empty. So I was way too excited and immediately rushed up and started recording this video to see what I could pull out. I stuck it down in there. I learned quickly I couldn't twist it too much because it's too tight, so I mostly just pulled it out. I pulled it out slow to see what I could get in the process, and the first pull didn't bring out too much, but right at the end I could see I was starting to get the chunk. And so then I did this a couple more times. I kind of just worked around the edges of the drain. It only took 2 minutes to do this. It was pretty gross, but it's always gross to clean sink drains. And then next thing I knew, I was getting out the big chunks. I rinsed this off and I had a clean running sink. So now I have these great sink cleaners that work so fast and I can keep my sink draining cleanly. I cannot recommend these enough. A great purchase.